Welcome to Omega Math Services, the last place where you'll look for help. And today I want to show you guys a triangle question that I found. It's not from the GRE, it's very important to say that, but I thought it was a genius question. I like the way it was asked and how simple it is. Now, given the diagram, which quantity is bigger? Quantity A or quantity B? Now, here's the thing. You have to know that the bigger the angle, the bigger the side. So in this case, 44 is pointing that way and 46 is pointing this way. What does that imply? It means that L will always be less than S. And again, that's because the bigger the angle, the bigger the side. All right? Now, here's the genius part. You might look at this, some of us might look at it and say, oh, the answer is D. Relationship cannot be proven. But if you take a look at it, what did I say? L is always less than S. So let's just say that L was 1. Well, S has to be greater than L. And let's just say S is 2. In that case, the ratio is 1/2, which is equal to 0.5, which is less than 1. Okay? And because L will always be smaller than S, A will always be smaller than B. You can put any number you want. No, it doesn't matter. Look, let L be 5, then S has to be 7. So 5/7, what is that equal to? Let me see really quickly. It equals to 0.71, which again is less than 1. And this happens because S is always bigger than L. Alright? So, like I said, I thought this was a genius question. I thought it was the way it was asked. Because, once again, because the denominator will always be bigger than the top, it will always result in a decimal answer. I hope you guys are finding these videos useful. Once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys are finding them useful and what it is that you want me to go over next. Thank you. Have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.